the cosmetic ones, and they are available now more than ever before. Yes. Because you go see itioneka as you okora. Sia kiria, sia lumbutuku, tanas, what have you? One out of the marashi now more than
before.
Yes. Teneri, Mawanu, Maya, Mata de Marigitari. Nimona Omako, he did it okora.
Mame
si ono gwakia rogo we mukihi okera mwanake we na mawanu mau ama maguori ni macokanagia cemba kidogo mundu uri
mana ke chonde muona tari mundu mwaga
ndu hembi cia cafithitio cia wanu na washushu ndu matikoragwo wega
Janizi mati wandogo na washosho
Mati moi na shimori na rasta madheri Udhani doya shimodhani Oi
Umajui Ginyaduro wa maigua
No ni ndĩraigua wanugu ndĩtwo nĩ Jerry wa digital
Ukirwa riu walikuwa wanaitwa nini sugu
Jabazi sugu
They were crowned the most wanted people at that time. Yes. Yes.
Flying school.
Of course, their inspiration was one, and he is still around. The all famous John Kiriamete. Gutwika arugana fae. Ati agera akahua thiini. People would exaggerate. Mau Kiriamete fae yake. Yatwikanagiria feji ciake.
Cia kahua.
Na ndio fa ekara gukumukinyira. Wekete basi mau rugongori. Back when us were growing up the millennials, it was not a very good time.
Acha.
Nita muhiki okite kirite mufuto back then. Mefuto dinoka tene.
Ne kwale conservatives matale na very good opinion.
Yes. Masisio maramete kirekete ri. Nima waigua ni mare gitani. And now more than ever before, rugogoro ni mare kira masisio prescribe. Go kira tene.
No, rugogo tene ti andu aingi mare ati mawani ma.
Well, maybe there was not much to see anyway.
Canada market very resilient.
Yes. And they were very structured. No amanya iri mariha. And again, people never used to read a lot. Yes.
Tigari ukire kaniro ri.
Ajele kwendo matado ma at all.
Yo makwira gatiri. No,
the illiteracy levels were Yes. Leo mawanure. No more there is a common thing. No, I think that you what a good percentage. And I think maybe it is the diet and what have you. Namaudo masages.
Namaudo magase janado mai to expose.
Yes.
Telu tenene hinyamuno ati ugeguri ati mudu ati heto mama ni mo very.
Very. A photochromy. It was very rare.
Very rare.
Na modo tene especially ona me na mawanuri. Matiako locos. Wakora ni modo wa musie. No daikara ko ko.
Daikara ko.
Yes. Leu neki ona andu magia that mentality yari ri. Athie guthoma ri. Niguo araheirwo ke.
Mawani.
They would not consider it a medical issue. They would actually think of those people as the brightest of minds. Na nikio metago masho.
Masho ine.
Niwa wona masho ine. Tiware u.
Which you just trago for multi-party. You was still around and
Nio koigia kiruirira Na tene mundu na maco-ine mau ri itura ri ndungiama convince ati mundu ucio ri ndari kindu gitagwo wisdom
Nema.
yes
No mundu ari me mani ni ma consider what are bright.
yes and why you are maco-ine ni ungiagweta kandu kwaja kungi okire mukihi rugongo umete Nairobi na ni maco-ine they were considered unapproachable. You see, it's because of the tales that were ona nyimbo cia tene ni waigua ati mundu ria ohirwo ri jaji ainamirie ki
Mawani.
Jaji angainamirie Mawani akuroere ha
Ha iguru.
ni wamenya we ukuohwo ki
Maisha.
they would shorten that word never used to sound good.
Nikwenda kugweta oguo.
Na thikũ ici angandwa rũgongo matiũkagĩra mũndũ cira nĩwohũywo
Andu ni macira maingĩhire.
tene nĩ waigua delegation waigua mũndũ Nairobi nĩ ahaũcĩte delegation ya andũ 20 moka cira ũmwe
Na nĩ gwĩtĩka.
na macokia riboti rũgongo rĩ mauga atĩrĩ rĩrĩa njanji ainamirie
Nĩ tũmenyire mwana ũcio tũtimũrĩ. Gwatuĩka jaji kũinamia mĩwani. Wewe huponei.
uponei nĩ mũgũkĩharĩria gũikara mũtamũrĩ akundĩkwo
Kĩoho kĩa maica.
ya maica tondũ gwatuĩka mũndũ ũcio aguraririe rĩ nĩ amũtigia ri nĩ kũmũtwara Sayuni.
You see, people had a lot of faith in the justice system back then.
Yes.
Unlike today.
No, people don't parade. Oh no. No nyũkwa ũkaga kana thoguo. Tene. Wĩna cira.
Andũ nĩ magũkagĩra cira.
They would flock. Maigue marũgame nawe. Mawani. Ona ũngĩkũria rĩu nĩguo ka crusade. Mũnjĩra ũramũhunjĩria muone etia Mawanu nĩ muona akiugo gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkũri
gĩkĩ nĩ gĩkũrika.
Never mind. Mũbile angĩandĩkĩirwo Mawani twere mwamuwe muno ũcio nĩ mwamuonaga nĩ mũrimũ, especially if he was short na nĩo mamata
muonaga ũcio nĩ kũrwara.
no maitho na mani nĩ marĩ frame yarĩ ĩho. Yes, kwaje hetu twika Mawanu mau acoka gaikara ũguo kamũrorete no ndũrahota kũmũrora maitho no ũhote kũrora mũndũ maitho back then ndũhotaga kũmũ-interpret ũkona ikarĩte ũguo agĩtanuka njonjo mani cia rũgongo itia mwapurocha.
Then you see
because the judge mentality
na Mawanu na Mũrĩ.
Yes.
Rĩu arĩa makĩheagwo nĩ ũndũ wa medical reasons.
yes
Matiarĩ raithi.
matiarĩ raithi.
Matiarĩ raithi.
You would rather force yourself to see because you can't afford.
It was an expensive affair.
Very expensive affair. Waigua makome maturari twake.
Twa bengi.
Yes.
Kana ndika ndithi.
Yes. Kana jaji. Kana mwarimu munene ya nini. Yes.
Thutha ũcio andũ magĩcokire rĩu magĩũka rĩu maraitha raithi.
Yes.
Affordable.
Actually guest ya mũndũ arũgama gĩcagi kwaria ahutia Mawani omwena muona atarĩ guest ya kũhingũra his knowledge pool. Ni muona he will ooze
Wisdom.
never mind, it wasn't the case. Some used to wear them and they were
The short end of the stick.
IQ was wanting. They did not even have common sense. No, wena mawanu nongethira fa. Ona ici mataki ya mundu wena mawanu.
Hapana.
Yes. Makela mundu jira network cia kumaheta.
Ucio no tumetia wangu kiuke kuu na bai.
Yes. Tara ufafa mwathari, never mind, he's very educated. He has a master's in medical demography. Ma fafa mwathari kama wani ugwari. Niwona ucio ne mani athomire London. He went to London School of Demography. Yes, na gethi India. Kuria wa ithu athomeire allegedly. Fafa mwathari kama wani ugwari. Niwona, yes.
He is about to
use wisdom. Never mind, he's very wise and bright. No, I don't know, confused.
Okay, you Muthuri ucio macoine ni aria wega.
Vitomia wekiri wa mbewani back in our days.
Yes.
Was none other than Whispers.
Whispers with Wahome Mutahi.
Yes.
Yes. You know, the caricature of him. Ega tuni yake. Kakona mawani. Yes. Na ni kwale mau na ni kwale mara makona kihika wa Kimani. Na mulu wa Mutizia. Those ones never looked. You see, kwale mawanu makihika wa Kimani. Na ni kwale ma George Saitoti.
Yes. Professor.
The prof. Nama, what's the name of this guy? This very decorated lawyer in parliament from the back then.
Oh, Mugani.
Agri Orengo. Yes.
James Orengo.
Yes. Mawanu maunuona. Maune make.
Mamudu mudhomu.
Mamudu mudhomu. Timoria. Totia. Ulia mwene ya kuweba kasi yothe. Kirema.
Nina iko mina mata bai.
Wadumu. Oyo. Wathiko kuwiti